of peace and soul. Hello you guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you watched the vlog yesterday, you know I had to pick up a walker for my mom's, excuse me, from Facebook Marketplace, and I washed the seat and washed it down and everything, so I'm about to put it back together. But so this is the front. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Today is Friday, so I am extremely happy about that. So yeah, I'm just about to put this seat back together. Go to my mom's house and have breakfast, and then, you know, it's Friday, so we got running around to do. So I just wanted to check in with you guys before I actually left the house and not be checking in with y'all in the car, because I seem to have been doing that a lot lately. So anywho, I will be back when something interesting is going on. Y'all, I think I have a problem. If you know me, then you know where I'm going. If you've been watching the vlogs, then you know where I'm going. Oh gosh, I never used to drink these this much, y'all. This is getting ridiculous at this point. It's about completely clear out here now, y'all. The snow and all that stuff is about gone. Now I'm waiting. Hello?
Please, I'm going to take your order.
Hi, can I have a medium caramel frappe, please? And that's it.
A medium caramel frappe, is that it?
Yes.
$3.85 on this. Thank you.
Thank you. I have a problem, y'all. At least I finally remembered to vlog it. If y'all have never tried this drink, y'all definitely should. But maybe not, because then you may end up addicted like me. This should be my last one, though. I hope this is my last one, y'all. Y'all pray for me, okay? Pray for me. Medium caramel frappe. I don't know why I'm singing it. It's ridiculous. Anyway, guys, this is it right here. I got it. I'm trying not to drink it until I get to my mama's house. I'm gonna see how far I can go. I want to have it with my breakfast. She fixed breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna see how far I can go. It takes about 20 minutes to get to my mama's house from my house, by highway. But yeah, y'all, I ain't doing it. I wanted to sit and really mix really good. So when I take my first sip, yeah, this is too much. This is too much for a drink. Is this how y'all be about Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts and all them other places? I'm usually not like one of these type drinkers. I don't know what has happened to me in the last 3 days, but okay, this is getting sad now. Bye, y'all. All right, y'all, we finally made it out of my mama's house. We're here at Walmart. I'm looking at some pajamas. Babe wants us to wear matching pajamas, but I'm thinking I may just get some pajama pants and we just wear like a shirt or something, but because I don't know if they really gonna have our size here. And I'm really not trying to spend a whole bunch of money on some pajamas that we're probably gonna wear once a year. So I'm gonna look at these and we're gonna see what I find. Oh, I just hit the, oh, look at the, oh dear. We call each other dear. So let me see what I can find, what he'll wear, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, they have this terrible copyright music right here. I have found these pajama pants, but they only had them in 3X. I mean, they not that cute. And then I found these, and they got them in 2X. So I think I'm gonna get these for us, and we just gonna wear matching pants and then like a white or black shirt. Be real simple. It's not too festive, but it's something that we could like, you know, wear other than Christmas. So I kind of like that about that. Okay, y'all, they have these pajama sets. I don't think he would wear any of these, honestly. I found this one though. He may wear this. It definitely says for women. I don't know. My husband would probably be like, girl, what in the world have you bought? Let me go around here and see. Yeah, that's it. That's all they got, y'all. So I think I'm going to just stick. I think I'm gonna just stick with this idea. Hold on, say it again. Hey y'all, so I am at Charlestons. I'm about to have dinner with some friends. Oh, so they must be on the other side then, because how they walking in? Oh, there they go right there. All right, y'all, I'll be back. This may be copyright, y'all. I'm being pretty basic. I got water and pink lemonade. They got, what is this they got?
Perfect margarita.
Okay, we are out for Brandy's birthday. So hello. And we have Natalie.
Hey, y'all.
What we getting started with?
This is the dynamite shrimp.
Dynamite shrimp. It look good though. Okay. I'm probably gonna get the chicken fried steak. What I always get whenever I go out. It's ridiculous. But yeah, Cheryl, we just out having drinks and eating dinner and stuff. So I'll come back and show y'all when our food come out. We didn't even order yet, have we?
Nope.
Okay, yeah, we need to do that. We got the drinks on deck, but we need to order. We need to order the food. We gotta order the food.
Oh my god.
Okay, y'all, I almost got something different, but I chickened out and I didn't. I got, what did I get? The chicken fried steak.
Yes.
Hopefully it's good. What'd you get? The tacos.
Thank you.
And
a Florentine pizza.
that pizza do look good though. That pizza do look good. It do look good. And what you get?
I got the catfish bites with okra and coleslaw. Anybody wants some coleslaw?
Everything looks good though.
What did you ask for?
I mean, it came with it, so.
Oh, I thought you changed it.
Yeah, tell them you want something else. I can't do coleslaw.
You come on the bag.
What you want to say?
I just would like to say, happy Vlogmas, everybody. Yes, love, peace, and
So, bye, y'all. Hello, you guys. I just wanted to come back and properly end the vlog. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Vlogmas day 19. I am at home chilling now. About to watch some Vlogmas videos. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog for Vlogmas day 20. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.